What's up, everybody? John Tucker from JT's Honeybees. We actually are out this afternoon. We finished up our jobs early, and on the way home I got a call from a real nice woman up in Tarkington, Texas, about 9 miles from me, and said she had a problem with bees, and this is them. She's got a real nice swarm landed in her tree, and we're gonna go ahead and get these girls loaded up in a box. I mean, this is a beekeeper's dream right here. This is just a gorgeous swarm. They're being pretty good bees. They're not gentle as can be. So that's awesome, 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 awesome. So we're gonna get these girls loaded up, and I'm gonna hand my phone to Miss Debbie real quick so she can see how we do this. Miss Debbie, will you record this for me, babe? You don't have to, hey, you don't even have to come way over here. You can just come like right over in this area. I promise you'll be okay. Okay. We'll do this so gentle you won't even know it happened.
Okay. I'm not the greatest recorder.
That's hey, all you gotta do is hold it and point.
Okay.
Let me see if I can get Trust me, if I think you're going to be in trouble, Miss Debbie, I'll tell you. Go, go, go. Is that enough for a handhold for you?
It's good.
It's going to be heavy.
Ready? Ready?
Hold that end a little bit. Most of the time, once you bump the swarm, they start dropping down pretty quick by themselves. What do you think, Miss Debbie? Craziest thing you ever seen?
You have the shakiest video going on here.
Here, let me see if we can go back. Thank you very much. That's them getting loaded. They're already, you can already see them dropping down.
Yeah, they're going down in there.
Oh, yeah.
So, the other one?
I can't put them together.
You'll have to
Yeah.
make another trip. It's fine with me.
She's like, get him out of here.
What do you think, Miranda? Bare handing your first swarm off the chain?
Very nice.
What? Say hello
Awesome.
to everybody.
Hey, Brett. Hey, Corey.
What's up, babe? Out here getting some more bees to torture you with, and make you some more honey next year.
Down in there. Let's kind of look to see if I can see the queen. I figure she's all up in one of these big old balls. They are pretty.
Monster swarm, big old
It's very
swarm.
nice. It's a good one.
So is it as freaky as you thought, Miss Debbie?
They're a lot more.
Gentle than what you thought they were going to be?
Yeah.
Sorry for cutting that many limbs off your tree.
I do not care.
I do not care. Just get these bees gone, right?
Get them out of here. That's the #1 quote usually.
Yeah.
I don't care. Just
I don't care. Just get them gone. When did you notice them?
The neighbors were starting.
Oh, really?
And all these bees you're talking about them. That was today. I noticed.
Yeah.
But, yeah, that was a couple months ago. That batch moved in.
Yeah, they're going piling on your corner.
They're going in?
Yeah.
Let's move them over a little bit to the... There you go. Give them a little more room. They're like, hey, check this out.
They're like, get down in here.
Boy, it's going to fill this box.
Yeah. You think we're going to have to put another box on it? Another brood box?
Probably in another week.
A week or two.
Yeah.
Yeah, soon, right?
Yeah,
That's a lot of bees.
They'll fill this one up quick.
Yeah, she's going to get settled in and it won't take long, yeah. Get in there. They're going in pretty good over here.
Are they?
Mm-hmm, yeah, right in here. They seem to be cooperating.
What do you think? Pretty crazy, huh? Too many bees.
What do y'all do with them? What do you bring them?
Huh?
What do y'all do with them?
I live about 7 miles back south on 321 going towards Dayton. And I got a bee yard at my house. She lives in the same subdivision I do, and she's got a bee yard. So, I mean, they go straight to our yards. And this hive, I don't know if they'll have the time to make honey this year,
Yeah.
but they'll definitely
If they
produce
stay
honey
next
for me
year,
next
yeah.
year. Yeah. This is a big one. I mean, this is a beekeeper's dream right here. Most time you see them, you know, you get up to a large cantaloupe size swarm a lot, you know, small basketball.
Yeah.
But to get one this size where it's hitting the watermelon range, yeah, this is a good one. Good, strong colony.
I told him, I said, no, you don't know if or anything like that. They just hit the button, Kendra. It's just like that. No, it's no good. So when they first come up, they was all in the house, everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You're just like, oh, no, not in the house.
Let me see if I can hang them, Miranda. Let your end go. There you go. Can't tell what they're doing. Can you tell if they're still going down or?
Wow.
I got a whole lot on this end. Let me lift your end back up, Miranda, and let me bring this end back to, no, go more.
This way?
Yeah, towards you. Let me set this end here. I might have to shake them.
I was figuring if I could take the leaves and stuff away,
Oh yeah,
they won't have
they're
nothing.
piling off now.
Yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's just to see the
Yeah.
leaves are laying down on top of those frames. Get in there.
All right, come back towards me and give yours a little pink, just a little. Yeah,
See,
they're all on
these
them leaves.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's hard to.
All right.
Let me see
Hit-
if I can get it.
Here, Miss Debbie, hold this again. You can see something you'll never see again in your life.
Drop it in there. Get in there.
What do you think?
Does that mean they're stirred up?
Oh yeah, come on, get in there.
All right, let me see that. how we catch a swarm, ladies and gentlemen. John Tucker from JT's Honeybees. The dirty, dirty South, Miss Miranda. And we appreciate y'all watching. Let me show you the aftermath real quick, because that's a done deal.
The box.
And there they go. They're fanning the box saying, come on girls, we're all in here. And that's how you successfully catch a swarm right there. Bare hands, no suit.
They're good bees.
Good bees, real good. I didn't even got checked out by the first one.
They're good bees.
Thanks for watching. Miss Debbie, thanks for having me out. Hey, would you say JT's Honeybees did you a good job?
Oh, yes.
Awesome, awesome. Miranda, say bye.
See ya.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next video. Bye-bye.